November 2024, platinum prices are rising due to a significant supply deficit, which is forecasted to extend into 2025. This bullish momentum follows years of range-bound prices, with potential upside as platinum breached key resistance levels recently. For US crude oil, prices have softened amid concerns over declining demand growth and continued geopolitical risks that suppress supply expectations. Meanwhile, high-grade copper has rallied to near record highs, largely propelled by speculation and technical trading rather than demand fundamentals. Market experts expect a pullback or consolidation, given ample stockpiles and cooling demand, especially from China. G'day everyone, welcome back to another update for some commodities here. And before we go any further, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. So first look at platinum on our trend charts. So we've got the monthly, the weekly and a daily. On the monthly, you can see that it's consolidating in that range, has been doing so for a number of years. There's no CCI for the monthly. On the weekly chart, you can see there on our commodity channel index of 150, it's actually broken to the fresh breakout to the downside. So that's a bearish outlook. So we might see further downside. On the daily, if I zoom out on that one, you can see there the CCI is already broken below that moving average band and in alignment with that price chart moving average break. It's currently hitting this minor support at 945. Now we may see a bit of a pullback on the daily and then possibly further downside as per suggested by the weekly break to the downside. Now if we go to the intraday charts, using the daily as a reference, we only take short trades. As you can see on the hourly, it's already looks like it's exhausted and it's actually retracing to the upside. So again, wait for this to, don't take long trades. We only take trades in the direction of the higher time frame. So wait for this to retrace back to the downside and take short trades when they do occur. But just be mindful, we've got this support level here, as I've indicated, 945. So you may see a bit of a retrace to the upside in the short term. If we see the daily, for example, might pull back towards that moving average band. So for high grade copper, similarly, you can see here it's actually broken into on the monthly, it's broken into the moving average range of the CCI, but the price is still above the moving average. So somewhat a neutral positioning on the monthly chart. On the weekly, it's a fresh breakout to the downside of that moving average, giving us a bearish signal. You can see there the price is also broken down below that moving average band of the price chart. So again, bearish trades on the daily and lower time frames. On the daily, you can see here it's already bounced off this minor resistance at 47,400. And it's now retracing back to the downside. The CCI is still in a bit of a free fall, if you like, but we may see a pullback in the short term to get some further momentum to the downside. On the intraday charts, again using the daily as a reference, we only take short trades. Again, you can see there we might see a bit of a retrace to the upside. On the hourly, again, don't take long trades. We only take trades in the direction of the higher time frame. So wait for this to retrace to the upside, do what it's going to do, and then once it breaks below again to the downside, as long as the daily is in a shorting position, then take short trades on the hourly or intraday time frame as well. Lastly, looking at US crude, now on the monthly, it's been in this consolidation range now for a number of years. The CCI has actually broken to the downside in August this year, and it's giving us a slight, well, it's giving us a bearish signal at the moment, only short trades to be taken. The weekly likewise has still below that moving average band, giving us short positioning. You can see the price is well below its moving average as well. And on the daily, it's actually hovering and consolidating in this range since around September, but it's actually a fresh breakout to the downside as well. So only short trades to be taken from this point on the daily. And you'll notice here as well, it did hit this minor resistance at 78.02. Then now it looks like it's going to approach this key support at 64.80. Now if we go to the intraday for US crude, again using the daily as a reference, we only take short trades. You can see here you would have been wise to take some of these short trades here, and you close it out when the CCI breaks into the moving average range. Now I prefer to take position closes when they enter that CCI moving average range. For example, you would have gone short there when it broke below, and you would have closed it out once that CCI hit that range. So you would have got out near the bottom there. Now you would not have gone long because the daily is showing short positioning, and wait for it to break to the downside. So again, hold off for any trades, long or short, until we see a break to the downside to take short trades. Or if you were to take a long trade, you want to see the daily break to the upside as well. To support the channel more, hit that like and subscribe button and share the video. For added benefits and the cost of a coffee, consider subscribing to the Patreon page, where we look at weekly scans of bullish trending shares. and insider trades that may have occurred. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.